Good evening, Mayor Joaquin with FDAHunter.com. Hope everybody is doing very well today. We will be going over Btbt and how we made money on the way up, along with money on the way down. All right, guys. So just to show you guys, when we mention winning is consistent, and we mentioned many times in these videos how you will have small losses, right? Nobody is perfect. So today, out of about 4 picks for our bonus picks, we had one loser, RLX, potential 5 to 10% target, 562 or lower. And as you guys could see here, we mentioned would get out of this slow mover ASAP. And we got out before this stock took a real crash, as you guys could see right here, this red bar, right? So, we risked no more than 2 to 3% on this play. Now, how on earth are you guys going to, consistently lose or be a loser like the 95% of people if you are taking small losses like this, but you got winners like this? How? Btbt. We mentioned this in the 10.5s, ladies and gentlemen, or lower. We risk 2 to 4%, risk target 10 to 20% potential. I mean, that is amazing. We are risking 2 to 4%. Maybe some people want to risk 5%, but the whole point is that we're given a little range here and a range of the potential. And this stock went to 40%, guys. I mean, you're talking at $14 after hours today. Now, when I mention here how to think like a day trader, we're showing you guys, like in our bonus picks, if you go to FDAHunter.com, while we're waiting for an FDA approval, which I personally would much rather wait for FDA approvals than wait for my stocks in gold or my actual gold or silver to double or go 50%, when who knows how long, right, guys? We see all these commercials with gold, will silver will have a run up, gold will be at $3,000. I mean, I would much rather wait for FDA approval, hitting the criteria that we have, which comes out several times per year, than literally wait for some magical gold to go to 3,000. Okay. Can it happen? Sure. I believe it can, but I'd rather not wait that long. I mean, come on, guys. We're trying to make some real money today and this year and soon. So along with our bonus picks, we have Btbt, as you guys can see here. Now, I'll show you the thought process because when I'm mentioning picks that a day trader would pick, day traders, they do a lot. They are not just picking random stocks. Day traders are literally going with the flows of the markets, trying to adapt to the market changes, things that are happening. There's a lot that goes into play into just picking a potential winner. It's not just, like a little wheel where you spin it and you just choose something randomly. And it's not where you just pick 20 different stocks and tell guys, hey, guys, look, this stock will go up one day or it's going to go up very soon. Don't risk anything. Risk whatever you want. I mean, that is not how you're going to make consistent money. If you want to be a loser, go ahead and sign on to that program. But in my belief, there's only about 2 people that make real money in the stock markets: the day traders, the active full-time day traders, and people who just randomly pick the next Amazon and get lucky. Okay. So Btbt, I mentioned this as a possible break past yesterday's high. Would try 10.5s or lower. Now, 10.9 was yesterday's high, so we could see the price action. We could see the movement. At the same time, the markets were red, and what we noticed is when markets are usually red, crypto stocks tend to go higher, right? When people are more scared about the market, they feel much better being in crypto. So that was just a theory, and it was proving itself correct, right? Because this has happened many times. So as I mentioned it here, cryptocurrency stock, when the stocks are usually down, crypto can go up. 10.6s is okay also, right? It was moving fast. So again, we were anticipating a breakout. Just in case the breakout would fail, you would still have a cushion there of a small little profit and still get out. And that's what we've been doing very consistently. And Btbt, as we guys see here, this was mentioned earlier, right around the market open, right around here. Look at this. I mean, you're talking within a few minutes of the market open right here. Look at this mountain. Look at this mountain all the way to 1340s. Then, as you guys can see, after hours, it did a small little break. I didn't mention it that much because I didn't believe it can go at least 10, 20%, right? I mentioned 10, 20%, but this thing went literally 40%, 1405. Almost 40%. So congratulations, subscribers, on that one. Now, I want to show you guys also how we adapted to the market. We adapted by mentioning another potential play. Now, guys, yes, everybody likes to go long, but as I promised, we will give picks that a day trader would see, and a lot of day traders also do shorting. So if there's some free money out there, free potential plays, I will still mention it no matter what. It's up to you guys to play it or not. It's up to you. But again, these are amazing potential winners. And most of the times they win. And when we're losing very little. And that is how you are consistently making money with our bonus daily picks. Okay. So WHLR short play 370s. Let's see. So we were betting on WHLR in the 370s to go down. And what happened with WHLR? Look at that. 370s right around here. Right around here. Around right here. And as you guys can see, 370s, it went down to 320s. And we mentioned for a short play, just for a quick, easy 5 to 10%. I mean, this is like free money. Why are we not going to mention some free money, right? And then ONE, this was beautiful. ONE, I'll mention you guys how, as a day trader, I thought about this. And a few thoughts of my, of how it went down. So ONE, I would short this easy play, 103s or higher, risk more, no more than 5 to 10%. I mean, I was willing to even risk 10% on this. Now, you guys can see here, red days, more shorting opportunities, usually, especially in bear markets. Whether we like it or not, guys, if it's a bear market or the markets, as we've seen now, is up and down. I mean, it's like it's got bipolarism, right? We don't know which way it's going to go, but it's mostly been red lately, several days per week. It is not like a year ago where you could just promise any stock or randomly pick a stock and you're making 10 to 100%. It is not like that. Reality is definitely kicking in for many people, and this is where you will see the real men from the boys, the real women, the real ladies from the kids, I guess, or little girls. I mean, this is literally where you have to know exactly what the heck you're doing and really adapt to the markets, okay? Markets were red. I mentioned another short potential play, another stock to go down. And I mentioned it several times. I mentioned that I would add on more shares as it was going even higher in the 108, 110 range. This was obviously going to go down. It was overextended, well over 100%. And at the same time, the article, as you guys can see here, one non-compliance letter regarding ADS trading price. And another word in here was China. And clearly that they were in non-compliance because they needed to be over $1. So I'm seeing over 100 million shares traded. This stock was fighting for survival to be at over $1. I mean, I personally think it's a lot of manipulation, right? If I have a company and it's about to be in non-compliance, I'm going to try to comply and get that to over $1. But clearly, it did not have enough gas. It did not have enough belief and not enough people, in my opinion, that would want to, obviously keep this at $1. This stock was literally opening around 50 cents. You are not worth over $1, baby. I'm sorry. So you're getting a non-compliance letter. You are manipulating. So I said this in here. It's clear manipulation. And look at this, guys. I targeted this for up to 30% or 20% winner. And literally from the 110 range to 120 from earlier, I mean, this stock collapsed, guys. It went literally down to the 70s. I mentioned that I would get out in the 80s, maybe leave it for another hour. And if you would have left it for another hour, it still went down. And then I mentioned I would get out around the middle of the day, towards the end of the day, because stocks can short squeeze. And we saw a little short squeeze, as you guys could see here, but it still wasn't enough. So nice try, one. You guys suck. Nice try. And go being compliant and work hard on your company instead of manipulating. All right, guys. Beautiful day today. Winning on the up, winning on the down. Free money out there. Adapt to the markets. And stick with FDAHunter.com. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to make that consistent money. Thank you. Have a good day.